Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I'm the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy, and welcome to Singing Tip of the Week, episode 49. If we could help you or someone that you know with the singing, we would be absolutely honoured. That's what we pride ourselves on, as result-driven singing lessons in 3 weeks. If you follow the teacher's instructions, check out the links below for more info. We give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days and at our numerous studios in Australia. Now, singing tip of the week. When should you go into falsetto instead of using true voice? So let's just go and explain what true voice is. True voice is yeah. Falsetto is wee. Whoa, I'm in the wrong key. Wee. Okay, so that's falsetto. Okay, so it's false voice, true voice, false voice, true voice. Now, as you know, going in at a falsetto is a skill, and it's used in a lot of songs. You know, Coldplay have written lots of songs. Nobody said it was easy. So those top notes were in falsetto, and I was coming back down into true voice on the lower note. So the no was in falsetto. Body's in true voice. So it's a skill to go in and out of falsetto like that. And it's not easy to go in and out of falsetto like that, and needs practice. But when should you use falsetto instead of true voice? The number one point is if you're a performer and you're sick and you're singing high in your range and your voice is gone or it's hurting, flip to falsetto. Don't be scared about going into falsetto if you're performing and you've tuned down and your voice is still no good, but you have to do the show. So safety is the most important thing, and not hurting your voice is very important. So flip to falsetto if you're sick and you have to perform, okay? Now, the second point is that if you're doing a song that's too high for you. Now, for instance, a lot of males come in and they do female songs and the song's too high and they're flipping to falsetto. That's fine if you want to keep it into falsetto. That's totally fine if you want to sing like that. There are complete songs that are done all in falsetto. The Bee Gees sing a lot in falsetto. So there are whole songs that are all in falsetto. There is nothing wrong with doing that. So you can do that and put your own artistic spin on a song by flipping it to falsetto if you can't sing the notes in true voice. So they're the two real main times that you should be going into falsetto, really for vocal health. They're really the main things. So if you're going up really high, you can't sing the song, you don't want to change the key of the song, flip it to falsetto so that you can at least sing it in key and you sound half decent. But again, what I always like to suggest with my students is I like to bring the songs down in pitch so that they will sound the best and will be singing in what we call the sweet spot of their voice. Now, I recently just did this with one of my students, Andy, and we were doing Rehab by Amy Winehouse. And Andy could sing. He could sing it. He could sing it in the original key. And I said to Andy, Andy, hey, let's just try it. Let's just try it one tone down. See what it sounds like. And it sounded a lot better. Andy, Ren, if you're there, out there, put a comment below, because I'm talking about you in a class. So put a comment in there. But you know, again, that is the same thing. We want to sing in the best parts of your voice, but they're the two times that you should really flip into falsetto. One, if you can't sing it, if it's too high, and two, if you're sick. They're really the main points. I hope that this has helped you out. If I've missed something, let me know. Now, I know that there are lots of different genres out there, like if you're doing screaming or if you're singing screaming in falsetto, you're not going to be able to do it if you're sick. So I know there are lots of different genres that you're not going to be able to put this technique into. You can't go, say your prayers, little one, don't forget my son. If you're doing, say your prayers, little one, by Metallica. You could sing it in falsetto, but it's not going to sound that flash. So again, this is where you want to record yourself, see what you sound like. But again, flip into falsetto if something's too high. Have fun with your in and out of falsetto as well too. If you're writing songs As I said, in the Coldplay song, it is really a thing that's done all the time. Photographed by Ed Sheeran. Basically, the chorus and the bridge in that song is all falsetto. So you can keep me. So it's all falsetto. That whole chorus is in falsetto. It sounds great. His verses are in true voice, and the chorus and the bridge, the rest of the song's all in falsetto. So have fun with your falsetto. It's a great voice to use. It really, really is. You've got two amazing voices that you can use. Don't always use your true voice, because your falsetto is fun as well too. I've kept it short, kept it sharp. They're the two main points where you should be basically flipping into falsetto. If I've missed anything, put it in the comments below. If you want me to answer a question, comments below as well too. Most importantly, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. Regarding our singing lessons, we pride ourselves on result-driven singing lessons in 3 weeks if you follow the teacher's instructions. Until the next singing tip of the week, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, and peace and much love. Bye-bye.